Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This is another video in a series on 5-minute pitch deck review and investor sourcing strategy. And this particular focus is on property development. Now, property development usually is a different type of presentation rather than a typical startup, but I'll give you a bit of an idea of how I help clients with these type of presentations. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a fundraising strategist with 15 years of experience in high-end real estate sales and marketing, spanning Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. Over the past 2 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 300 clients with startup fundraising, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach strategies, and custom investor databases. In addition, I serve as an advisor to a New York-based private equity firm with capital commitments of $10 billion. This capital is strategically allocated to projects across the Middle East, Asia, and the USA, with a focus on income-generating real estate. The firm offers both debt and equity financing with investment sizes ranging from $10 million to $100 million per project. If you want more information about my services, just click the Fiverr link below. So, a review of my services. I provide clients with pitch deck reviews, pitch deck strategy, investor targeting strategy, investor targeting with sector databases, and custom fundraising initiatives. My databases include over 400,000 key contacts, which include private equity, venture capital, angel groups, family investment offices, investment banks, and more. And these are global contacts that can be used for fundraising for your startup. My pitch deck reviews, they include an initial review with an executive summary, a preferred pitch deck format with copy and design suggestions that I'll make for you. I include FAQ section and an investor FAQ section so you get to understand what investors are going to ask you. Investor outreach letter will be created, and I'll do some investor targeting with some database suggestions from my database. Now we're going to look at the property development sector. This is just an example of some of the stuff that I work on when I'm doing a pitch deck review. Obviously, when it comes to the real estate and development side, I have years and years and years of experience on the ground at many levels, so it's easy to see what people and investors are going to take a look at. So when clients send me presentations, usually when it comes to the real estate ones, they tend to be quite lengthy. They don't necessarily need to be, but there's a key number of items that need to be focused on. First of all, risk management. Most investors are going to want to look at the strategies that to mitigate potential risks that the developer has. Real estate, construction, massive DDs involved, so you don't have to get too in-depth in it when you're doing the pitch. Revenue models, really clear. Clear financial returns and strategies, usually 5 to 10 years is what I like to look at when I'm looking at real estate. Sustainability innovations. Now, a lot of real estate projects have to have some kind of a hook, and the sustainability, eco-friendly, and energy efficient practices are really, really big, really key, because they're the ones that tend to tip the scale for a lot of potential investors who want to take a look at developments that are going to have a long-term play. Project timelines, these are detailed schedules and milestones for projects. And lastly, the project has to have market demand, so you have to understand the current and future market needs. Research needs to have been done. A lot of time this can be done through third parties. So by addressing these critical components in your pitch deck, you can effectively communicate the value of construction and property development projects to potential investors. A well-structured presentation that highlights market demand, project timelines, sustainability innovations, revenue models, and risk management strategies will significantly enhance your chances of securing the necessary funding and support. I'm also going to help you with building a perfect pitch deck, which will include the business strategy, market analysis, company overview, and contact information points. Do you need help with your fundraising? Click my Fiverr link below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.